Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my parrots. One's name is Julie, the yellow and green one, and the blackish whitish one, his name is Flappy. I love playing with them, and they eat a lot of food and make a mess. And also they don't even go in their house for no reason. And they mostly just flap their wings and stay in a spot, but if you put your hand in there, they just go crazy. Watch. Ah! See? Oh. And they always want to be eating mostly. That's why they're kind of fattish. Well, this one's a bit too fat, and this one is skinny. And they keep itching each other. They also just push themselves on their own on this swing type, or sometimes we push them. So that's enough for today. Bye guys.